last time this car actually started. Holy shit! And it was a bit of a surprise because I've been taking apart the engine and then put it together again. So this time we will continue to investigate the air intake. I spent the last month fixing my abandoned Porsche Cayenne GTS. Even if I don't have any experience with renovating cars from before, it's been my dream to learn. In the end I want to afford my dream car, a Porsche GT3. It's an insane long way to get there, but I will at least try. I bought this car from Germany and it has been abandoned for several years, which was fortunate for me because that meant I bought it very cheap. Only 5,500 euros for this once luxury SUV with 405 horsepower and all options you can imagine. So one thing that is crucial for this engine and many engines, I think, is the oil separator. And I've been looking into what that actually is. This one, and then we have the air take here, and there's some pipes here that is connected to this in a way. What this does is that it's separating oil from the air somehow. So the oil goes back into the engine again, and the air can, I don't know if that actually goes out or into the engine again. But if this doesn't work, you will have a lot of carbon inside this, so it will be very black. That's what I've been hearing. Not sure if I need to do something about it. That's why we are taking this off and look into it. But first this one. I haven't found a way to actually remove this, so I'm just trying to bend it off, and I don't know, must be a better way. This is I don't know how to remove this. It's so hard. I tried a bunch of screwdrivers. Oh. Come on. Yes! Finally. That took me almost 20 minutes to just remove this cap. I think that's why you can't buy these on your own. Because actually you need to switch out that whole, I don't know what it's called, but oil separator thing on the side. What I've been doing now is to order one of these, which is, you call it like a membrane, something like that. I don't know what it is actually, but I found a place where you can buy only this without switching out the whole thing. Because the whole thing costs like 400 euros, I think. But this one is cheap, it costs like 20 euros. Found a place on Amazon to buy it. And look in the description for the link to it. And you can do it cheap too, just to remove this one. If you have a problem in the air intake and oil separator. So what I have been figuring out by reading articles, and I think someone you also commented in the old episodes, is that this one can break, which is not good. So if you have a hole in this membrane, I don't know what membrane, it doesn't sound good in English, but in Swedish it's membran. That's not good if it's a hole in that one, because that will make your oil separator not function as well. So that's what I'm going to check now. Oh, there we have it. So to my knowledge, if this is not working, you will have more oil getting into the combustion chamber. And that means oil will be combusted, of course. It's pretty obvious. And make a lot of things sooty. For example, pistons maybe, exhaust. You will have some smoke maybe from the exhaust that you shouldn't have. Some of these bolts are very tricky to get to. So I would suggest to have small tools for it. This is the best tool I ever bought. It's like the smallest wrench you can have, and it's super good to have, especially on this car, probably on other cars too, because it's very easy to get to every bolt that you need. You will find a link in the description if you want to buy one. It's very cheap too. So now I can remove these. Not much to see. And this one too. There's a cable underneath this one, like for oil. Oh, easy to remove. And now you can see that there's bolts here on each side, which I can remove now. And get rid of this one. Of course I need to remove this too, I think. But then I can take off this cover and see how it looks underneath.
Don't stop now. We're like
Let's remove those bolts and see what happens. I think I will get this off.
don't think we're ever coming down. So let's live it up.
Okay, time to remove it and see if all the bolts are off. I have a bad feeling about this one in the back here. I don't know what that is, but I will disconnect it later. Okay, definitely not loose, at least. I wonder why. Whoa, okay. It was loose. This is how it is inside this one. I don't know. Is it good or bad? Time to take it off. Not much to see there. If you like what I'm doing here with this car and want to follow me, please subscribe. It will mean a lot to me. It's time to look inside and see how they look. Interesting. And hopefully you can help me out here, because I don't know how they should look. Tell me in the comments if it's good or bad. There we have one. I don't know. Doesn't look like that bad. But it's not good either. Maybe there's a difference between them. Maybe you can tell. I don't know what that means, if there is a difference, but tell me. Tell me what you see. Okay, it didn't look that bad, or maybe it did. I don't know. Next episode will maybe be about cleaning these intakes, depending on what you say. And also if it's hard to do. I guess it's not only to have a brush and just clean it. Yeah, probably a bit harder than that. Let's see if I can manage it, if it's needed. Otherwise we will do something else. We have a lot to do here. Maybe it's the exhaust actually. I want to fix those flaps on the exhaust that was actually too sooty and was broken. So see you in the next episode.